How do principal investigators lead psoriasis clinical trials? Have you ever wondered how clinical trials for psoriasis are conducted? Principal investigators, or PIs, play a vital role in leading these studies. They are responsible for overseeing the entire trial process, ensuring that everything is done safely, ethically, and according to established guidelines. Typically, PIs are experienced healthcare providers with a strong background in both psoriasis and clinical research. One of the key responsibilities of a PI is study leadership and oversight. They are the primary person in charge of the clinical trial at their site, or even across multiple sites if they are designated as the lead investigator. The PI ensures that the trial follows an approved protocol, which is a detailed plan that outlines the investigational treatment, eligibility criteria for patients, procedures, and expected outcomes. They supervise the research team and make sure that all activities comply with good clinical practice and regulatory requirements. Patient safety is another critical aspect of the PI's role. They are dedicated to protecting the rights and well-being of participants throughout the trial. This includes monitoring patient health, managing any adverse events, and ensuring that informed consent is obtained and documented properly. PIs work closely with ethics committees and regulatory bodies to uphold ethical standards and secure necessary approvals before and during the trial. In addition to these responsibilities, PIs also manage their research teams. While they may delegate specific tasks like patient recruitment, consenting, and data collection to qualified study coordinators or nurses, they remain ultimately accountable for the trial's conduct. It is essential that all personnel involved are adequately trained and qualified for their roles. Data integrity is crucial in clinical trials. PIs are responsible for accurate record-keeping and maintaining reliable source documents. They ensure that the data collected is trustworthy and verifiable. Compliance with regulatory standards, such as those set by the Food and Drug Administration or other health authorities, is essential for the success of the trial. Communication is another important duty of the PI. They report on trial progress, safety issues, and outcomes to sponsors, regulatory agencies, and ethics committees. PIs also coordinate with biostatisticians and data managers who analyze the trial data. Keeping participants informed and providing follow-up care is also part of their role. Finally, PIs apply their scientific expertise and clinical judgment throughout the trial. They assess patient eligibility, interpret clinical findings, and make medical decisions related to the trial. This ensures that investigational treatments are administered correctly and that participants' health is continuously monitored. In practical terms, PIs lead the research team in recruiting eligible patients with psoriasis, administering investigational drugs or interventions, monitoring treatment effects and side effects, and ensuring that the trial meets both scientific and ethical standards. Their work is crucial for advancing psoriasis research, generating valid and reliable data while prioritizing participant safety and well-being.